This is the Beyond 3 smartwatch. Twist of your wrist, you can go from the always on screen to a really nice installed watch face if you'd like to. When you swipe down, you get notifications sent from your phone if you have any. Swiping up gets you into your overall settings, including brightness control, do not disturb, and a lot of controls in your settings from twist your wrist, tap to wake. You've got brightness screen time, which can go from 5 seconds all the way up to always on, which is really fun. I mean, literally, the watch will always stay on, not the always on screen. It'll always be on. You got the always on display that you can set, do not disturb, ringtone vibrations, widget sorting. Information about setting it up for doing your phone calls. It is Bluetooth calling, speaker over there, nice and loud, reboot, reset, all of those things are available. When you swipe this way, you get your 24-hour heart rate graph on here, and it'll immediately start doing a reading for you. One more, and you go into blood oxygen. It shows a 24-hour graph, but it only gives you dots when you actually do the reading. It's using both red and green diodes back there for that. Come again, and you've got last night's sleep time with the graph and where you were in each of your zones. One more, you're into stress. Heart rate variability converted into a stress number for you, again with the dots, because it's done instantaneous using the green diodes. Then you get this activity level and all the other cards, which you can get to by swiping this way. And it's basically everything you just saw in small little cards that you can go through, including setting up a breathing exercise if you want to. Weather in your area with forecasts, all of that's available from there as well. When you tap down below, you can enter any of the different activities. The outdoor running, walking, cycling kind integrate with the GPS in the watch. Yes, it has GPS, and you can get an actual chart on there as well that you can take a look at. When you tap the top, you get all of your different apps. Health is an entire category that shows pretty much everything we just looked at, including cycles for ladies, if you put your period information in there. You've also got your telephone information for contacts, history, and your dial pad. Different clocks and workouts. Here's that sports record. There's my trajectory for a quick walk I did around the house. And so it shows the GPS chart directly in here. Not with a Google map, mind you, but the chart by itself. Clocks and workouts and music player, everything in here, flashlight. You've got calculators as well. And then the overall settings. It's a really well-built watch. It's a definite upgrade from the Beyond 2. The Beyond 3 now is larger, beautiful AMOLED screen, 3 buttons on the side. It's a winner. Again, it's the Beyond 3 Pro. Check it out.